Bila?
19. Doon, oh, dalawang 19. Pwede palitan yung isa? Bawal yan sa Takore.
Ba't wala ka pangalan dyan? Ha?
Meron na.
Tapos? Ito lang.
Okay, 5-0 our score, 5-0. A for Rob Guimaras. First position of Negros, Mosqueda. Stubron, back to Mosqueda. Suarez, long three, air ball. It's Guimaras ball, Guimaras. Arsal will set a play. Looking for the beat. Nice fake, drive, move. Hold on, nice drive, hold on. Bang! Basket count one. Foul on number 19 on Negros. 7-0 our score. 7 against 0. Bonus free throw, Padera. 8-7. 8-0. Now, Rolfo Buron. Looking for Mosqueda. Mosqueda. Downside. Bermudez. First attempt. Oh, same spot. It's Guimaras ball. Guimaras. 8-0. We're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. Bang, bang, bang! Oh, it's 11-0.
Shot din.
Amarillo?
Hindi. Ay, naku.
14 to shoot.
Sulit na ano, 26 ba?
26. Pader.
Hindi pa din na yan, P. F yan.
26.
Tanggal yan.
Nice defense. Wow! Intercepted by Suarez. Foul! Foul on number 4 on Amarillo.
Ano lang trabaho ko na pangalan? Tanggal mo.
Ten to shoot! 24 shot clock violation.
Yeah.
Tanggalin mo nga. Kasi hindi ka matutulog. Pagtanggal, di pagtanggal.
It's 7 minutes. Now Mosqueda. Back to Mosqueda. Open jump. Again, in and out. Rebound. It's white ball. White ball. Last repetition. White ball. 11-0. 6 minutes and 49 seconds. Now Morod. Big. 10 to shoot. Suarez. Mosqueda to Bermudez again. Rebound on Rosal. Now Rosal. Amarillo. Drive. Stop. Up. Pilout. Pinitero. Drive. Stop. Intercepted by Baron. It's Baron. Baron drive. Baron. In and out. Rebound on. Nice pass. Amarillo. Coast to coast. Short. Ramos na Mosqueda. Nice fake. Oh, first basket, first shot of Negros. 11-2. It's 9-point lead on Guimaras. Now Rosal. bang, bang! Now 14-2. It's 12-point lead on Gimaras. Mosqueda. Suarez. Short. Rebound again on Gimaras. It's David. Oh, turnover on Gimaras. It's 5 minutes and 23 seconds. First quarter. And first game for our inter-province category. Now Mosqueda. Oh, miscommunication again on Negros. Back-to-back turnover against Negros.
Puro may pangalan mamaya 26. Lapitan. Ha?
Now Rosal.
26?
Yung kanina.
Pera.
Sure. Saro lang sure mo. Lista ko doon.
Nice defense on Ramos. It's traveling violation. Turnover again on Gimaras. Back-to-back turnover on both teams. Negros against Gimaras, our first game. Now Mosqueda. Bermudez, back to Mosqueda. Mosqueda, bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Mosqueda. 5-14. 9-point lead, Gimaras. Rosal. Out the shot, kick out pass, David, drive, David, nice. It's traveling violation again on Gimaras, back-to-back turnover on Gimaras. 9-point lead against Gimaras, nice fake, move, wow, in and out, rebound on Ramos. Ramos, 14 saklat 14. Now Mosqueda, same spot, too strong, rebound, it's foul. Foul on Ramos, it's second team foul on Negros. First, against Ramos. Rebound ni Rosal. Terantero. Guarded by Bron. Terantero. Still by Mosqueda. It's Boron. All alone by Boron. Nice defense on the mid. Foul. Foul on the mid. Second team foul on Gimaras. First on the mid. Two minutes and 30 seconds. 6 seconds 14. 8-point lead on Gimaras. Short. Rosal. Now Rosal will sell a play. Rosal. Out to David. Amarillo 14 to shoot. Kick out pass. Rosal. It's white ball, 2 minutes. Now Mosqueda. Pass to Ramos. Short. Rosal rebound. Now Perantero. Nice pass. Again, back-to-back turnover on Gimaras. It's 1 minute and 50 seconds. Timeout on Negros. It's 1 minute and 49 seconds. 14 against a 6. 8-point lead on Gimaras. Negros ball, Negros. Now Mosqueda. Boron. Drive, side step. Boron. Yes on Boron. 8-14. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Rosal. Amarillo, David. Short. Now Ramos. Mosqueda. Bermúdez, nice drive. Foul. Foul on Rosal. It's first on Rosal. Third on Guimaras. Two free throw shot for Bermúdez. Bernardes. 1 minute 11 seconds. Rebound on Guimaras. It's 3-1. Nice defense on Ramos. 1 minute. Peretero. Too strong. Rebound on Mosqueda. Oh, Bernardes now 10-14, 10-4-point lead on Guimaras. 40 seconds. Nice pass outside. Pay. It's foul. Timeout on Guimaras. It's 29 seconds. 13 foul on Negros first. Number 31 on Bernardes. 29 seconds, 29. Cabriles, bawal dyan, bawal dyan. 29 seconds, 29. $15 to 10. 5-point lead, Guimaras. 20 seconds. Mosqueda. Air ball. Rebound Rosal. 10 seconds. It's rubbing violation. 7 seconds. 7 seconds. And now our first quarter score is 15 against 10. All by Guimaras. Second quarter ready rep. Second quarter. And we'd like to thank our sponsors, TUI, The Inkers, Basketballista, and Rock Bank, Abu Dhabi. And our two referees for tonight is referee Apatan and Johnny.
Third quarter pa. Pagkula pa.
All game rep, all game rep. Guimaras ball, Guimaras.
Sino ang tutunan?
Sawa ka.
O, takin tayo, takin para maganda.
26.
Now, Kabakang. Paso Amboy, Amboy, too strong. It's a white ball, white ball. Score, 15-10. 5-point lead on Guimaras. Now Mosqueda. Merced. Back to Mosqueda. Time to shoot. Black foul. Foul on number 25 on Guimaras. First team foul on Guimaras. It's 9 minutes and 23 seconds. It's Guimaras versus Negros. Short. Rebound on Madrid. Manaluan. Looking for percent. 14% shot clock. 14. Mosquera. Drive. Elbow jumper. Rebound. It's Guimaras ball. 8 minutes and 57 seconds. Second quarter. Now Kabakang. Looking for the door. Aparador. Back to Kabakang. Now Amboy. Sultry. Bang! What a play coming from Guimaras. 17-10. Now Merced, fake, drive, still on Amboy. It's Kabakang all the way, Kabakang! Now the Dora Parador, 19 against 10.
Ikaw mo rin pa mamaya.
Abang malamig pa.
Yun ang
Ganyan?
14 to shoot.
Oh, yung player natin, bawal doon. Bawal, not allowed.
Rebound on Amboy. Now Sultry. To Kabakang. Top. Manaluan. Now Madrid. It's
Wala tayo sir, wala tayo. Hindi pwede, wala yan. Second quarter, wala palitan. Wala tayo yan sir, wala tayo yan. Wala tayo, hindi mo pwede palitan yan. Sa second quarter, kung sino doon, yan. Wala nga tayo sir, third quarter na yan. Wala tayo yan. Wala tayo ganyan sir. Wala tayo roast na yan at pakakagaling at wala tayo yan.
game, ball game.
Pasaril yan sir, wala tayong palitan.
Foul! Foul on number 10, verse 16 on Manaluan. First on Manaluan. First team foul against Negros. Ocean train again. Passed outside. Lantura Parador. Top. Rebound on Madrid. Now Merced. Mosquera. Same ball. It's 5 minutes and 56 seconds. 14 to shoot.
Tuloy, takbo, pagkamak bola.
Manaluan. Air ball. It's Kabakang again. It's Kabakang for sure. It's Kabakang. It's 20 timeout. On Negros. It's 21-10. 11-point lead. On Guimaras.
Balestino, number 25. Balestino.
Ilan sila lahat?
15.
Ha?
15. Pagka-game, pwede sila magpalit.
Now Mosquera. Manaluan.
Oh.
Madrid. Top. Again, it's Kabakang. Kabakang saves, but it's Kabakang 22-10. It's 13-point lead now on Guimaras. Mosquera. 5 minutes. Merced, 10 to shoot. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Merced. 23-13. It's 10-point lead on Guimaras. 4 minutes and 49 seconds. Kabakang. Oh, the Dora Parador. Back to the Amboy. Amboy, favorite shot. In and out is the Dora Parador. Shot! Rebound on Sol. It's white ball. 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Merced. Now Mosquera. Back to Merced. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Merced. In 16 to 23. 8-point lead now. On 7-point lead on Guimaras. 4 minutes. Amboy. Kick out pass. Kabakang. Let me try. Amboy again. Drive. Kick out to Soltrade. Soltrade. Bang! Foul on number 8 on De Jesus. First on De Jesus. Second on Negros.
Grabe mo, dumating pa.
Konti mo kasi. Nawasan ko 30 minutes.
3 minutes and 54 seconds. 25-16. It's 9-point lead on Guimaras. Mosqueda. Malaluhan. Mosqueda again. 10 to shoot. Too strong. Amboy. Now it's Soltrain. Nice move, Soltrain. Go to Soltrain. In and out. Soltrain again. Bang! It's Soltrain. 27-16, 11-point lead now against Guimaras. Merced. Yes, move by Merced. 18-27. 9-point lead, Guimaras. Adora Parador, Kabakang. Amboy, nice play. Amboy, let me kick out pass to Adora Parador. Nice kick out again. Side step, short. Rebound on Madrid. It's 2 minutes and 53 seconds. Merced, pow! Foul on number 27 on the Adora Parador. Second on Guimaras. First on the Adora Parador. Now Merced. Long three. Short. Merced again. Rebound on Amboy. Now Kabakang. 1-1 on Maluan. Kabakang side step. Kabakang is foul. Foul on Madrid. It's third on Negros. Twenty-eight 18, 28-18, back to 10-point lead on Guimaras. Soltrain.
Seconds! Rest!
10 to shoot. Air ball, Soltrain again. 40 sets at clock. Nice defense on Mosqueda.
Rest! Rest na po!
Negros ball, Negros. One minute and 30 seconds.
Aywa!
It's traveling violation on Madrid. 1 minute and 30 seconds, 28-18. For our second quarter. Cantor ng Parador. Pass to Soltrain. Soltrain escape. Rebound on De Jesus. Now Mosqueda. Madrid. 14 to shoot.
Nice! Nice D! Nice D!
55 seconds. 3 on 2. Cantor ng Parador. Parador is foul. Foul on Malaluan. It's warning for penalty on Negros. 52 seconds.
Oras lang. Matayin ko oras. Ito kami.
29 against 18. Only 9-point lead. 11-point lead on Guimaras. 40 seconds. 40 to shoot. Air ball.
Kaya, Ben.
Yeah!
Wow! Basket down and one also. It's 31-80. Foul on Madrid. Now Negros in penalty. 20 seconds.
Madrid second.
32-18. 10 seconds. Bye!
Yes, sir. Ay!
And now for second quarter, our score 32-18.
Oh, sir, bawas muna tayo, sir. Bawas tayo, bawas. Yun na, sige na doon.
Hindi na mamaya.
Oh, bawas muna tayo, sir. Bawas tayo. Bawas muna tayo, bawas. Sir Danny, bawas muna tayo. Ha? Ito, para makita nila. Kasi 100, 200, okay.
Ito na mga masunod sa mga player. Pero masunod sila.
Ang wala kang kadula.
Pero kung umabot sila, pwede pa sila mag-uwi.
Oo, abot sa fourth quarter. Pero sa banta, in 10 minutes, third quarter.
Madali eh.
Third quarter.
Sa 5 minutes sa isa ba? 5 minutes. Ang hindi pwede sub dyan. Ilan kayo? Isa lang. 5 minutes.
Oh, 402 like that.
Kalaro na lahat?
Gabriel is...
Ball game. Guimaras ball. Score 32-18. For second. Bang! Easy money. 35-18. It's 17-point lead now. It's Guimaras. Moron. Bermones. Suarez. Bernales hizo rebound on Ramos back to Castillo, short. Now it's Guimaras ball, 35-18. It's 17-point lead on Guimaras. Now Gabriles. Nice pick, 10 to shoot. Bang! 37-18, it's 19-point lead on Guimaras. Now, Buron. Castillo, back to Buron. Bang! On Buron. 21-37. Raymond. Back to Gabriles.
Number 2, Bulan.
Bang! That's Red and Gray on Guimaras. It's 40 against the 21. 19-point lead on Guimaras. Buron, Ramos. It's traveling violation on Negros. 8 minutes and 10 seconds. 40-21. All by Guimaras. Agabiles. Nice pass outside. Intercepted by Naga. It's Negros. Negros is foul. Foul on Gabriles. First personal foul on Gabriles. First on Gimaras.
Working wala siya dito.
Now 22-40. 18-point lead on Gimaras.
Galop.
23, 40. Now Gabriles.
Wala na.
Nice foul. Foul on number 18.
19, so
19 on Suarez. First on Suarez. First team foul against Negros. Peretero, 14 to shoot. Bulanan.
hit.
Tingnan ang pangalan niya.
Buron. Nice defense on Gabriles. Now Peretero. Favorite shot. Nice fake. Short. Rebound. Tap again. Now Suarez. Castillo. Wow! Nice defense on number 15. It's last touch on Gimaras. 6 minutes and 30 seconds.
Ma'am, upo ka lang, ma'am.
40 to 23. It's 17-point lead on Gimaras. Now Boron. Bermanes. Bang! On Bernardes. 25-14. Now 15-point lead on Gimaras. Now Gabriles. Bulanan. Back to Bulanan. Favorite shot. Too strong. Rebound. It's white ball. White ball. It's 4 minutes and 49 seconds. Buron. Fernandez again. Chase back. Too strong. Rebound on Gimaras. It's Gimaras now looking for final play. Now again. Nice. Still by Castillo. 2-on-2. Boron. Drive. Boron. Defense on Castillo. Castillo. 17 to 40. It's 13-point lead now on Gimaras. 4 minutes and 10. Gabriles. Nice play. It's something violation. Substitution rep. Sub. Substitution rep. Sub. 13-point lead on Gimaras. 40 against 27. Third quarter. Abron. Mosqueda. Guarded by Naburon. Buron again. Looking for Fernandez. 3-point shot. In and out. Rebound Castillo. Rebound again. On Gabriles. It's Gabriles. Looking for Kabakang. Kabakang mo. Bang! On Kabakang. 42. Against 27. Second team foul on Negros. Foul on 18. Second team foul on Negros. Foul on Buron. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. 42-27. Rebound again on Gimaras. 14 shot clock. Drive. Boom. Nice defense on Ramos. Stop again. Now Mosqueda. It's Mosqueda time. Mosqueda. Mosqueda drive. Mosqueda. Bang! 29 against 42. Turnover again on Gimaras. Substitution rep. Sabrat.
Hit assist. Working hit assist.
3 minutes and 12 seconds. 42-29. It's 13-point lead. Gimaras. Buron. Guarded by Gabriles. Fernandez. Castillo. Bound! Basket count and 1 on Castillo. 31-42. Second team foul on Gimaras. Foul on number 44. On Gimaras. 2 minutes and 57 seconds. Substitution up, substitution. 32-42. 10-point lead. Gimaras. Gabriles, kick out pass, Kabakang, left it line, air ball, rebound is blocked by Castillo, is Mosqueda, foul.
Pader na.
13 foul on Gimaras. Foul on Paderna.
Second.
Second on Paderna.
Challenge!
Mosqueda. Guarded by Gabriles. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. 2 seconds to shoot. 2 seconds to shoot. Foul on number 14. It's warning for penalty on Gimaras. 1 minute and 55 seconds. 2 free throw shot for Mosqueda. (33-42), 9-point lead now. Gimaras. In and out. Now Gabriles. 1 minute and 40 seconds. Short. Top. Rebound again. It's same ball. 14% shot clock. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Kabakang. Bulanan. Oh, you can't cover. Bulanan. 40-33. 1 minute and 20 seconds. It's 11-point lead on Gimaras. Now Mosqueda. Merced. Long 3. Is it 8? Back to Mosqueda. Mosqueda. Nice pass outside to Ramos. Out to the. Oh, it's now Gimaras. Gabriles. Now Gabriles time. Gabriles pass to Kabakang. Bang! It's Kabakang. 46-33. 52 seconds.
Time out na kayo. Time out kayo. Isa.
Yes, son Maron. 30 seconds. Foul on number 25. Now 13 foul on Negros. 13 foul against Negros. Foul on Mosqueda.
Mosqueda.
Warning kayo.
Second personal foul on Mosqueda. Warning kayo. Basket substitution depth. Basket substitution. 23 seconds.
Pilitin nyo kuhanin yung bola.
23 seconds. Now Moron, 20 seconds. 15 seconds. Wow! Foul on number 29 on Ramos. Now warning for penalty on Negros.
Ramos second.
Second personal foul on Ramos. 9 seconds. Substitution left, sub rep. Sigura in. Moron out. 9 seconds. 48, 35.
9 seconds pa yan ha, 9 seconds. Maba pa yan. Nice. Oh, 9 seconds.
49-35.
Yun.
Cabriles.
Ala!
Black by Ramos. Buscala. Merced. And number third quarter score 49-35. All by Guimaras. Fourth quarter ready, Tera. Fourth quarter. It's Negros ball, Negros. And we'd like to thank our sponsors, TUI, Abu Dhabi, the Inkers, Basketballista, and Rock Bank. Ball game back. Negros ball, Negros.
Tinapon ko na yung aspat ko yung talaga. Masarap bago dito.
Ewan ko.
Tinapon ko na nga sa baba to.
Nahulog nga.
Saan nga alam bago.
Malay
Wala,
ko.
tinapon ko nga.
Sabi ko pulutin ko. Ya Rabbi.
Last quarter. Castillo. Bang! On Castillo. 49-30. Istira Segura. Rebound ng Merced. Busqueda. Kick out pass, Segura. Short. Rebound again by Segura. 14 set shot clock 14. Kick out pass to Busqueda. In and out. Rebound again. Black. Top. Rebound on Castillo. Short. Oh! Busqueda again. 14 set shot clock 14. Short. Wow. Foul on Guimaras.
Paul.
Peratero. 14 set shot clock 14. 49-37. Merced. Segura. 10 to shoot. Black. Nice goal. 6 seconds to shoot. 6 seconds. 6 seconds.
Naubos na yung oras.
5. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Castillo now 49-40. 9-point lead, Guimaras. 8 minutes and 10. Piratero. Short. Rebound on Castillo. It's Merced. Now, turnover on Negros. It's 8 minutes. Remaining time for our last quarter. It's Guimaras versus Negros. Now, Kabakan. Piratero. Isidate. Kanina Segura. Oh, he's still. Now, Merced. Nice save. Traveling violation of Merced. 49-47 minutes and 39 seconds. Now, Rusal. Kabakang. Back to Rusal. Kabakang. Soul Train. 10 to shoot. Rusal. Kabakang. Bang! Kabakang. Foul on number 1. On Segura. Foul on Segura. Person Segura first team foul on Negros. It's 51 against 40. It's foul. Foul on number 99 on Castillo.
Castillo first.
Person Castillo, second team foul on Negros.
Peratero.
One shot for
Son.
Soltray.
Bakit naman nakapaul?
Short, top, rebound again on Gimaras. Nice pass. Whoa, it's all. 53-40. 13-point lead on Gimaras. It's foul. Foul on Rosal. It's second team foul on Gimaras. Second personal foul on ROSL Rosal. Turnover on Negros. 5 minutes and 10 seconds.
Sige, 24. 24.
Soltre, Pimenteron, 14 to shoot. Merced, all alone, it's Merced, oh! Turnover, Merced, 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Now Kabakang. Looking for Rosal. 14 to shoot. Kabakang. Ah, what a play! Short. Rebound on Sigura. Now Sigura. Short. Rosal. It's Rosal looking to Peratero. Foul on number 25 on Mosqueda. It's 13 foul on Negros. Timeout on Negros. It's 4 minutes and 22 seconds. Second personal foul on Mosqueda. Third team foul on Negros. It's 53-40. 13-point lead on Gimaras. Timeout is brought to you by TUI Abu Dhabi, Water Sports, The Inkers, and Basketballista. Two free throw shot. Thirteen-point lead on Gimaras. Four minutes and 22 seconds. Short. Rebound on Sigura. In and out again now, Peratero to Soltre, 4-on-1, Soltre, nice pass, Kabakang! Too strong! Down! Foul on number 31 on Bernardes. Warning for penalty on Negros.
Bernardes second.
Second personal foul on Bernardes. 4 minutes!
Stop.
Basket substitution left. Now Buron. Mosqueda. Back to Buron. Sigura. Rosal. Rebound. 3 minutes and 49 seconds. Now Rosal looking for Kabakang. It's Kabakang time. Fake. Kabakang. Rosal. Now guarded by Buron. Looking for Sol. Downside. Nice fake. In and out. Rebound. It's white post. And into sub rep. Sub. 3 minutes and 23 seconds. Sigura. 14 to shoot. 10. Nice steal. Coming from Gimaras. Soltre drive. Bye. Steal by Boron. 3 minutes. Mosqueda, nice move. Now out. Turnover again. On Milagros. 2 minutes and 50. 13-point lead, Gimaras. Now, Cabriles. Sultray. 10 to shoot. Short. Rebound on Castillo. Now, Boron. 2-1. Pass to Bernades. It's foul. Foul on Sultray. It's 13 foul on Gimaras. Second personal foul on Sultray. Sultray. Gabriles. Back to Gabriles. 14 to shoot. Foul. Foul on Sigura. Penalty there. Penalty. Second to shoot.
Sigura second.
Second personal foul on Sigura. Penalty there. Penalty.
Sige. Laban rebound.
Basket substitution net. Wala pa. Basket substitution. Sub.
Gabriles.
54 to 40.
Aggressive defensa ha.
2 minutes. Muscala. Foul. Now warning for penalty on Gimaras. Warning for penalty. 1 minute and 47 seconds.
The third personal foul, he chooses 14.
Third personal foul on Ituses. 41-54. Back to 13-point lead on Gimaras. Against 54.
Labas.
1 minute and 30 seconds. 14 to shoot. 10. Rebound Castillo. To Musquera. Sigura. Foul! Basket count and one on Castillo. Timeout on Gimaras. Now Gimaras and penalty. 54-44. 10-point lead on Gimaras. One minute 8 seconds. 1 minute and 8 seconds. Bonus free throw from Castillo. Sultray out Piratero. 1 minute. Fourteen to shoot. 10.
Nice one. Down.
40 seconds. Whoa! It's Muscala. 30 seconds. Foul. 27 seconds. 27 penalty rep. Penalty. Foul on Madrid. Both teams now in penalty. 27 seconds. 54 against 46. 8-point lead on Gimaras.
Still Piraterno, Kabakang, Bulanang, Ito.
Nice one, son.
55-46. Now, 56-46 is 10-point lead on Gimaras. Yes, on Sigura. 10 seconds. It's Kapakang, 58.8, 5 seconds. And ang lagay, mga winner, Gimaras, it's 58 against